In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a certificate on Teachable. By the end, you'll have a professional certificate ready to award automatically to learners who complete your course. Start by heading to your Teachable admin and opening the specific course you want to issue certificates for. Certificates are created at the course level, so make sure you're inside the right course dashboard. In the left sidebar of that course, look for the Certificates option and click it. This is your workspace for setting up and managing the certificate that will be associated with this course. Next, create your certificate. Click Create New Certificate or New Certificate, depending on your view. Teachable offers 3 templates to get you started. These templates differ in layout and style, but all of them are fully customizable. Choose the one that best fits your brand and the tone of your course. Don't worry too much about perfection at this stage. You can refine the details in the editor. Now it's time to edit the content. Update the title, which is often the course name or a formal certificate title. Add a subtitle if you want to include a short description or acknowledgement, like completion or achievement. Set the date. Most creators prefer the completion date, so the certificate reflects when the learner finished the course. Upload your logo, so the certificate aligns with your brand. A clear, high-resolution image looks best. For the signature, you can include the instructor's name, title, or a signature image to give it an official, polished look. As you adjust these fields, keep readability in mind. Clean fonts and concise wording help the certificate look professional. You can also fine-tune the colors and design. Match the color palette to your brand for consistency. Keep contrast in mind so text is easy to read against the background. A simple, uncluttered design tends to print and share well, whether learners download a PDF or view it online. When you're happy with the content and styling, save your work by clicking Finish. This locks in your design and prepares it for use. The final step is to activate it. Click Activate, so Teachable will automatically issue this certificate to students when they complete the course. Activation ties the certificate to completion status, so there's nothing manual you need to do for each student. That's it. You've set up a certificate for your course, customized it to reflect your brand, and enabled automatic delivery upon completion. If you ever need to refine the design or wording, you can return to the certificates section and make updates without starting from scratch.